Hello beautiful family, you are welcome back again to the channel. Welcome back to Gift Olivia's TV. So guys, today I am going to be showing you all how to make a delicious mouth-watering chicken pie. This chicken pie is filled with a whole lot of goodness. Can you see that? So you can make this chicken pie at home or at any party celebration. So guys, if this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. Please join the family by subscribing and don't forget to turn on your notification bell if you are a returning subscriber. Thank you so much. So guys, let's start with making this chicken pie. We are going to start with the sauce. We need carrots, potato, onion, and then pepper. You can use any pepper of your choice. So guys, I'm just going to cut a little out of the onions that we are going to be using, and then wash and scrape the carrots, cut it into smaller pieces, and then also peel and wash the potato. So guys, this is what I will be doing now. So this is my chicken. I already prepared it. So right now I am just going to separate the bones out of the chicken and then go ahead and dice it. You can use any part of your chicken, either the breast or the lap. So guys, yeah. So pour in a little vegetable into your pan and then go ahead and add in your diced pepper and onion. Stir for a while and then add in the chicken. So this chicken is already prepared and seasoned, so I'm not going to add in much seasoning. So I'm just going to pour in a little curry seasoning. After frying for some few seconds, I'll go ahead and add in my vegetables. So I'll give that a stir, fry for a little while, and then add in my chicken stock. This stock I got out of my chicken, and then add in a little water, stir them together, and then sprinkle in some thyme and then a little pinch of salt just to get the potato and the carrot tasty. So then I'll go ahead and cover it to cook. So guys, this is my flour inside a cup. I went ahead to add in 2 spoons into the cup, and then I will be mixing it with water, stir it together. This mixture is going to help our sauce thicken a bit. So you want to pour in this mixture into the sauce. It allows it to thicken. So yeah, my sauce have been frying. I'm just going to go ahead and open it right now and then pour in this mixture of flour and water. Just look at this goodness, guys. This is so amazing. The aroma is everything right now. So I went ahead to pour it in, and then I'll give it a stir and cover it for some minutes to cook, and then bring it down and let it cool down before using it. Allow your sauce to cool down, okay? So yeah, While our sauce is cooling down, I am going to go ahead to make our dough. So this dough, I'm going to be sieving my flour and sugar into those bowl. So I'm using 1 cup of flour. This cup of flour is going to give me like up to 5 or 6 chicken pie. So depending on the quantity you want, if you want a larger quantity, you can increase your ingredients. So you go ahead and add in your baking powder. I added just a little tablespoon of sugar and then added salt as well. I'll go ahead and add in my nutmeg and then my butter. I'll use my hand to mix that together. So I'll go ahead and add in a little milk and then add in water. These two combination is going to make the dough really come out nice, moist and flaky. So I will add in my milk and water and then turn everything into the table, my working table, and then knead them together. So guys, after mixing everything together, I'll go ahead and wrap it inside those plastic bag and keep it in the fridge for about 5 to 10 minutes. So guys, I am using this round shape cover that I have at home to cut my chicken pie dough. So this is how it came out. You can use any cover of your choice that you have at home. Make sure it is in a round shape cover it. If you have round shape, or if you have the real meat pie cutter, you can use that. But if you don't have that, you can use any cover you have at home. You are good to go. This is me using a round shape and then using my wooden rolling pin to roll out the dough. So I'm just going to prep this and set it aside. To prep our sauce into the dough. This is my favorite part. Like, I love doing this part a lot. So I'm going to add in my chicken sauce into the middle of the dough. So as you can see me doing earlier, I added water. This is going to help seal in and lock in the dough. It will not allow it to open up while baking. So you want to do this gently by adding water to the edges. So, and then sealing it up with your hand. I'll go ahead and add in, do this design with a fork. This design is so popular, like if you don't know it. So this is so simple to make. As you can see, the design is so beautiful and it came out really nice. So I added water to the edges, add in my chicken pie, and then I will stretch it out and then cover it gently. Like, this is so easy and simple to make. So as you can see, this is what I am doing. So for this design, I am not going to use the fork. I'm going to be using my thumb finger to press it. As you can see me doing right now, I'm just giving it another shape. This shape is so beautiful and nice. So you can go ahead to do any design that you love. This is so great and it just looks beautiful. baking for a few minutes, I brought it out to egg wash it. So right now I'm just going to go ahead to egg wash my meat pie. Mix egg and milk together. Right now I'm just using only milk, but you can use egg and milk. Just mix it together and then brush it over the top of the meat pie. So after doing that, you put it back into the oven, and when it's ready, it's going to look really beautiful and nice. So right now my chicken pie is ready. Just look at this, guys. This is so good. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you love what you're seeing, don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Guys, please share out this video, share it to your friends, for your family, share it out, guys. So this is how it came out, looking so delicious. You want to make this for your family or for any party celebration, or you can even make this and sell. So this is really great. It came out so yummy. So delicious. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and see you guys on my next one. Bye bye.